local charity organization says good progress is being made in addressing pressing social issues in South Africa. It organized a star-studded benefit concert in Johannesburg last year, where millions of dollars were raised. CGTN's Scheier reports.
Billions of dollars poured in during the first Global Citizen Festival in Africa. Artists put their talents to the cause to improve education, health and social services in South Africa and on the continent.
On that night, over $7.2 billion was pledged for the eradication of extreme poverty. And today we're pleased to release the one-year accountability report, tracking those commitments that were made for the eradication of extreme poverty.
Close to $1 million has so far been collected and dispersed to community projects.
We made a commitment of $250 million for the land reform programs in South Africa, and we made a $100 million commitment for education. And we've allocated $20 million of the $100 million that we committed. And the focus there is on education in science, technology, engineering, including entrepreneurship and mathematics.
Pledges were made to end the use of pit toilets, improve access to sanitary pads and provide contraceptives to women on the continent.
I have 2 kids, a 3-year-old and an 8-month-old, and I know that I'm done. But the fact that I can even say that confidently is because I am empowered in terms of contraceptives. If every single female on this continent can say the same thing and feel that empowered, I know my work is done.
In an Eastern Cape community, health workers were able to double the amount of vaccines given to children.
This one initiative that is helping us to be able to encourage mothers, to be able to encourage communities, to be able to encourage policymakers, government, clinics to understand the importance of actually making sure that each and every child in this country is vaccinated. So this program has helped us to make sure that more than 11,000 children are on track with their vaccines.
HIV and AIDS brings a further threat to pregnant mothers and their unborn children.
What we looked at was making sure that every one of them was tested for HIV, and if HIV positive, immediately put onto antiretroviral therapy. A great success of that is we've been able to reduce the rate of mother-to-child transmission to 0.83%, whereas an untreated population can be as high as 37% of HIV-positive moms transmitting HIV to their babies.
These are just some of the projects spearheaded by Global Citizen in South Africa and developing countries facing similar challenges. The aim is to bring an end to extreme poverty by 2030, but strong political will and accountable actions is needed to achieve this goal in the next 10 years. Scheier, CGTN, Johannesburg, South Africa.